Hey everyone, welcome back to Vital Signs, your go-to vlog from American Family Care Joplin, where we dive into all things health and wellness to help you stay on top of your game. Today, we're switching gears from our usual blood pressure and glucose checks to something super fascinating: how medicines get their names. You know, those tongue-twisting labels on your pill bottles? I stumbled upon this great article from the Cleveland Clinic that breaks it all down, and I thought it'd be perfect to share, especially since understanding your meds is key to thriving, just like monitoring those vital signs. So, let's jump in. Naming a medicine isn't as simple as picking something catchy. It's a serious process that can take up to 4 years and cost pharma companies up to $500,000 in consulting fees. Every drug goes through 3 main names: the chemical name, the generic name, and the brand name. First up, the chemical name. This one's all science. It's based on the drug's molecular makeup, following rules from the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. For example, something like N4-hydroxyphenylacetamide. Sounds complicated, right? That's because it's mainly for lab folks during development. You and I rarely see it. Next, the generic name. This kicks in when the drug hits clinical trials, and it's been standardized since the 1960s to keep things consistent worldwide. Organizations like the USA Council, made up of pros from the American Medical Association, pharmacists, and more, review suggestions from drug companies. They pick names that are easy to pronounce and reflect the drug's function. Then, the World Health Organization's INN group makes sure it's universal, so no mix-ups if you're traveling. The generic name has strict rules too. The suffix, or stem, shows how the drug works, like cillin for antibiotics, think penicillin, ol for beta blockers like propranolol, or ide for blood sugar med such as glipizide. The prefix is shorter, 1 or 2 syllables, but it can't use letters like H, J, K, W, or Y because not all languages have them. And it definitely can't sound too much like another drug or promote the company. Now, the brand name, that's the fun, marketable one pharma companies create. They brainstorm up to 200 options, test them in focus groups, and submit to the FDA for approval. The FDA checks that it doesn't look or sound like other drugs, make false claims, or use generic endings. If it's a no-go, back to square one, which can delay getting the med to market. In Europe, the EMA does something similar, and sometimes names differ by region, like Lipitor here might be Atacor in India. Some cool examples from the article: Prozac, the antidepressant that's so famous it's in the dictionary. Viagra, for erectile dysfunction, blends vigor and Niagara to suggest power and flow. And Lyrica, for nerve pain, hints at lyrics like a soothing song. Challenges? Names have to work across cultures and languages. Avoid confusion, that's a big safety thing. And not overhype the drug. It's all about clarity to prevent errors, which ties right back to why we check vital signs regularly, keeping you safe and healthy. Alright, that's the scoop on med naming. If this got you thinking about your prescriptions, or you need a quick vital signs check, swing by our clinic off 3rd and Rangeline, behind Starbucks. We're here monthly at the Senior Center too. Drop a comment below. What's the weirdest med name you've seen? Hit like and subscribe for more vital signs tips, and we'll catch you next time. Stay healthy. If you are feeling under the weather, you can walk into American Family Care Joplin 7 days a week with no appointment to get a diagnosis. We will have you feeling better and back on your feet fast. AFC Urgent Care Joplin, located off 3rd and Rangeline behind Starbucks. American Family Care, the right care, right now.